All right, folks. So my team wanted me to drop in and give a brief explanation on the tax savings from the program. Now, keep in mind, the Preventative Health Initiative is one of many government rebates and incentives that we introduce our clients to. Specifically, in this piece of content, we're going to talk about the FICA tax reductions from the Preventative Health Initiative and the way that they work, where do they come from, etc. The question posed to me by my team specifically was, how do they work? How is it possible? Okay, so I'm sure that you are all familiar with the Affordable Care Act. Now, the Affordable Care Act was very effective as a marketing engine, right? To implement rewards and penalties if you have X number of employees and you do or do not offer benefits to those employees. Okay? Very, very effective in getting everybody on health insurance. So effective, in fact, that they have increased these incentives, but the new incentives or the additional incentives are designed to create an additional tax advantage, this one specifically for a wellness plan. Or in other words, now that everybody's got health insurance, it's very expensive to treat people. So what if we taught people how to take better care of themselves, therefore reducing outpatient spend? It's very, very expensive to treat people with chronic illnesses, and most of these are preventable lifestyle diseases. So again, the incentive is to encourage business owners to influence their team, take better care of themselves. Now, this benefits us and the government, specifically you and your organization, because if there's less outpatient copay and less sick days, then you've got a healthier team and lower expenses. Okay? So the Preventative Health Initiative, how do the FICA taxes work? The incentive for a business owner is if you introduce your employees to this plan, you're going to earn an average $500 per employee per year in FICA tax reduction. So think about that. $50,000 for the year. For every 100 employees, you're going to save $50,000 for the year. That's money to your bottom line. Use it for whatever you want. The employees who participate, they're going to have this plan implemented, therefore reducing their FICA tax expenditure, and that money is going to be used to fund the plan. So there are no out-of-pocket expenses for anyone. This is a tax incentive to create the ability for them to have access to benefits that they wouldn't normally purchase on their own. For their participation, they're going to receive this incentive, which will fund the plan, as well as life insurance and wellness benefits for the team. Because you introduce them to it, you will experience FICA tax reductions and savings. Basically, the way that works is that it is just less money per employee per pay period that you are paying in FICA. You and I both know you're paying both of those on their behalf. It's just less money that leaves the payroll account every month. Some of that money is used to fund the wellness plan and the life insurance, all of these gifts that you get to give to your employees and their family. The rest of it you get to keep. So it's creating savings, and the savings is possible because we're inspiring you to take better care of your people. So it's a win-win situation. Plus, we do it all for you. We are going to come in and implement everything. So it is a no out-of-pocket expense, significant benefit to you and to your team, and there's no additional reporting. Simply medical benefit deductions as reflected in your quarterly 941s, no extra reporting, none of that.